Hello everyone, welcome back to the shop. It's been a little while since I posted, so I wanted to get a video out just kind of showing what I've been up to. I've done a lot of work, but nothing that's been really worthy of a video, so I'm just kind of piling the last couple months up and putting it together just to keep everybody informed of what's been going on with me. First thing, the vise. Now, as I said at the end of my last video, I built a prototype. I have a new concept. I built a prototype. It's working well enough for me to use in the shop, demonstrates that this concept works. This version wasn't quite good enough to just get quotes on and sell to you. There are a couple minor problems I had to fix. I've got those worked out. Next question, can I make it for a price that's going to allow me to still make a little bit of money and sell it for a reasonable price? Reasonable meaning mid to low 200s. I want it to be similar to what the Lee Valley twin screw vise sells for. I'm trying to hit that price point and have the extra fast travel feature to really have a strong offering. That's what I'm going for. But if it costs $300 to make the vise, obviously I can't sell it for $250. So I put together really precise for manufacturing drawings, sourcing on all the parts. I worked on that, put everything together. And good news, it looks like I have manufacturers and sources for everything I need for this vise to sell it for that mid to low 200 price point. So that's very good. And mine is going to be the only vise in the world that actually comes with a vise liner, a really high quality, grippy, better material than I can find out there. I wouldn't even know how to buy this stuff without the particular source that I found for this material, and it's just going to be included with the vise. So I'm super excited about that. I'm also probably going to sell this separately for folks who have a vise they like. And I'll have more on why this stuff is so great, or at least demonstrating that it is really superior material in a future video. My next step is building 10 of these, or 10 of the next version of these. That'll help me validate the manufacturer, work out any kinks. If there's some tolerances that aren't working quite well, we can get that squared away before placing a big production order. And also, once I get those 10 vices working, those will be the marketing engine. You know, I'll try to get those in the hands of people who can speak to the value of it and support a pre-sale for that product. Now, I know the big question will be, how soon is that going to happen? How soon are you going to do a pre-sale for the vise? And I probably could do it as soon as July. I'm a little nervous about that because July is a really slow month for the sales of woodworking products. July is not a time when people are in their shops generally. It'd be much smarter to wait till September, October to do a pre-sale. That would be the smart thing. We'll see if I'm patient enough. We'll see. So aside from vise product development, I've been doing a lot of home DIY kind of projects. These are some floating shelves that I made for a friend, actually. The inner frame is pocket hold pine that's anchored solidly into the studs behind the wall. It's pretty strong. I tested it, and even the weakest point, the cantilevered corner, can hold a good solid 10 pounds without bending. So that 10-gallon glass vase full of marbles from Pier 1 Imports probably doesn't belong out on the corner, but the shelf will be able to hold it. And then a couple months ago, I kicked off DIY home remodeling stuff in our house by refacing this super ugly gas fireplace that we have with something that my wife and I liked a lot more. We're actually able to keep the insert and just spray paint the gold and change all the tile to this stone and darker marbly ceramic stuff on the base. Anyway, turned out really good. We're really happy with it. I almost made a video of this one, but ended up just taking pictures instead, and I think this does the project justice. So the good news is that there is actually build footage in this video. Bad news, it's just garage shelves, but I really needed garage shelves badly. Our garage is a disaster, and I've got plans that involve cyclone in the garage and some shop stuff, so I need to get things organized to get to the point that I can actually have some shop infrastructure in the garage and out of the shop. And get closer to the ultimate vision for the shop. So I designed some shelves that involve both steel and wood. Steel for a long unsupported length, just anchored by this 4x4 at the corner. And what I'm doing here is laying out some, I guess you'd call it steel wood lap joints that will be where the steel meets up with this post. Oh, here's what it's going to look like in case you needed a sneak peek. It's really a pretty self-explanatory process, so I think I'll just play some music and let you watch the build. And lastly, sometimes you just have to admit that you can't build all the storage for all the stuff that you need. All this stuff was just in little piles on my floor. Got a lot of extra room with this thing. Is a little chintzy and not quite what I would have built myself. Yes. Do I have time to build the perfect sturdy solution? No, I do not, and this is going to work. Take care. See you next time.